but some tales defy belief. Let's take a walk through the pages and question the sacred absurdities. Talking animals, a serpent spoke to Eve. No hiss, just speech. Genesis 3, check the preach. Then a donkey saw an angel open its mouth, gave moral lectures. Numbers 22, divine ventriloquy. Unstills, Joshua says unstop. And it did froze in the sky like time itself hid. Geocentric drama, physics defied. Sun paused mid-race for genocide. 6-day creation, earth before the stars, light before the sun. 6 days flat, universe done. Back up, absurd. Dinosaurs, galaxies, not just fiat speech. Genesis logic out of reach. Back up, absurd. Noah's Ark, a global flood, one boat ride. Every species packed side by side. From Aussie kangas to jungle cats, one wooden ark, let's unpack that. Food for months, waste disposal. No GPS, just ancient proposal. Jonah in the fish, 3 days chilling in a whale. No air, no acid, yet live to tell the tale. Virgin birth, a child conceived with no man's touch. Divine DNA, that's a bit much. Resurrection of the dead, graves cracked open, zombies walked. Jerusalem stunned, but no historian talks. Hellfire for doubt, don't believe, burn for eternity. Short life, endless penalty. Back up, absurd. Justice from love, sounds kinda twisted. Eternal fire, cause Christ was resisted. There was belief beyond the Bible. God knows all, but still regrets. Back up, pray to change his perfect plans. Back up, blood must spill so sins are clean. Mercy needs slaughter, is that what they mean? Free will versus control. God hardens hearts, then blames the soul. Free will or divine remote control. Trinity logic. 1 is 3, 3 is 1. Father, Spirit, and crucified Son. Back up, absurd. Not polytheism, just holy math. Blessed contradiction, divine graph. If truth needs threats, if faith needs fear, if love demands blood, should we still hold it dear? Forgets and forbids questions in the beginning. The Word was with God, but who